When your body wants to quit, that's when it starts. This is tool drop. Instant energy. No waiting, no excuses. Sharper focus, stronger performance. Built for workouts, built for long sessions. Flip the switch. Drop into beast mode.
What you are watching right now wasn't made by a team of editors. It wasn't made by clicking generate 100 times. I found a system that created this entire commercial while I went to get a coffee. Today, I'm showing you the automated workflow that built it. If you are generating AI video scene by scene, you are wasting your time. The technology has shifted. We can now chain tools together to do the heavy lifting for us. In this video, we are going to set up a set it and forget it workflow. We will create a full commercial script to generate consistent character images and turn them into motion video automatically. There are 3 parts to this. First, the browser setup. Second, the master prompt logic. And third, the video automation. Do not skip to the video generation part. There is a specific file naming trap in the 3rd step that will crash the whole process if you don't set up the images correctly right now. We also need to install 2 specific browser tools that act as our robot hands. Open your Chrome browser. Go to the web store. We need to extend what the browser can do. Search for Auto Whisk. You are looking for the extension called Auto Whisk Multi-Version. Add that to Chrome. Next, search for Auto Meta. Add that as well. Now, you might feel like you're ready to start. You aren't. Those tools are useless without the correct instructions. If you feed them bad data, you get bad results faster. We need to generate our script, image prompts, and video prompts all at once. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, or any LLM you trust. Most people write lazy prompts like "make me a shoe ad." That fails because the AI guesses. We need to remove the guesswork. We are going to assign it 3 specific layers. First, the role. We tell it, act as an expert commercial director, ad copywriter, and prompt engineer. Second, the input variables. We tell the AI exactly what we are selling. Product name, visual description, key benefits, and target audience. Here is the secret sauce, the logic and rules. This is where we force the AI to be consistent. We lock every scene to 5 seconds. This tells the automation tools exactly how long the video will be. We also define the structure. Scene 1 grabs attention. Scene 2 shows the product. Middle scenes show benefits. Final scene tells people what to do. But the most important rule is this. We command the AI to always reference the same product and character from our photos. If you don't do this, your main character will look like a different person in every shot. We split the output. 1 column for image prompts, focusing on lighting and composition. Another column for video prompts, focusing purely on camera movement. Don't worry about copying this down. I've put the exact master prompt in the description. I also added a variation for faceless channels. Now, let's look at our assets. I have 1 product image and 1 character image. I generated the character using LM Arena. I did a full walkthrough on that tool in the previous video, so check that out if you need a character. I take my master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and fill in the project details section with my product info. Look at the result. It gives us a structured table, scene number, visual description, and camera movement. No fluff, just data we can use. Before we generate the visuals, we need the audio. I'm using 11 Labs for the voiceover. I take the script lines ChatGPT gave me, paste them here, and download the audio, quick and simple.
When your body wants to quit, that's when it starts.
Now, let's automate the visuals. Go to Whisk AI. Open that Auto Whisk extension we installed earlier. Select your language. Important. Choose version 7.6 API. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy all the prompts listed under the Whisk AI prompts section. Paste them into the extension window. Watch this. The extension automatically detects how many prompts you pasted. You don't need to count them. Set your aspect ratio. Use 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts. I set images per prompt to 2, so I have options. Here's where we lock the consistency. Upload your reference product image and your character image into the extension. Once that is set, hit Start. Put your hands away. The system is now generating the images and downloading them to your hard drive automatically. By the time you pour a glass of water, you have a library of consistent assets. Now don't go anywhere. Generating images is easy. Generating video is where most people fail. Video generation is heavier, slower, and more prone to errors. You need to follow this next workflow exactly, or you will waste hours. First, curate your images, go through the downloads, delete the bad ones, keep the best one for each scene. Here's the rule. Do not rename these files yet. The automation relies on the file structure, just delete the bad ones. Now go to Meta AI, open the Create menu, stop. Look at your chat history on the left. If you have old chats there, delete them, all of them. If you don't clear your history, the automation extension will get confused about which video it is supposed to download. It looks for the most recent file. If your history is cluttered, it will download the wrong clips. Open the Auto Meta extension. Click Select Images. Highlight all the images we just curated from the previous step. Make sure your files are sorted A to Z after you select them. This ensures Scene 1 is generated first and Scene 6 is generated last. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the Meta AI prompts. Remember, these are the ones focused on motion, not lighting. Paste them into the extension. Now look at the settings. You will see a field called Start from Number. This is your safety net. Leave it at 1 for now. But if your internet crashes halfway through Scene 5, you can come back here, type 5, and it will resume from there without redoing the first 4. You can also adjust the wait time. If your internet is slow, increase this number so the bot doesn't click download before the video is finished. Hit Start. The browser will now take your first image, apply the motion prompt, generate the video, and download it. Then it moves to the second image. If you have a fast connection, this flies. If you don't, you might have to step in and manually do it. But usually, this runs entirely on its own. Once the batch is done, you simply drag the clips into your editor. Because we numbered them A to Z, they are already in order. Drop in your 11 Labs voiceover, add some background music, and export. Let's look at the scorecard for this workflow. Quality, 8 out of 10. It's consistent, but sometimes Meta AI struggles with complex movements. Speed, 10 out of 10. Manual generation would take 3 hours. This took 20 minutes of active work. Cost, low. Most of these tools are completely free or low-cost entry points. The final verdict? If you are a marketer or a content creator, this stack is currently the most efficient way to produce narrative video without hiring a studio. The key is not the tools, it is the prompt structure that controls them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next build.